Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can send video clips and screenshots from your account on Metal TV to your Discord account, for example, to share it with your contacts or on a specific gaming server. So let us guide you through this. In the first step, guys, make sure that you're logged in on Metal TV. In the second step, make sure that you're logged in also into your Discord account. You can, for example, navigate to your gaming server. So this is how you can do it. Navigate to Metal TV, then to your library here on the left-hand side, and go through a library to choose the screenshot or video clip, in-game recording you would like to share. I will go with this screenshot here for the sake of this tutorial. Click into it. Then guys, here in the bottom right you will see that share button. Click into it and choose send to Discord. After that, as you can see, my Discord server is already connected. If you haven't done that yet, guys, Metal TV will ask you to connect with the given server. You can do that, for example, by clicking into this button, and then you will see a list of all servers you're currently a member of with your associated Discord account. So make sure that Discord is connected with your Metal TV account, and you will see then the list of all servers you can send the given screenshot or a clip to here listed. So select it here. I've already done that, so let me return. And then select the given server by clicking into send here. You may also add a message, for example, something like that, nice screenshot. Click into send. And then guys, you will see the screenshot sent or shared within your server, as you can see guys here. And yeah, you can also get redirected from your gaming server on Discord to Metal TV here, or reply to the sent screenshot here inside Discord. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.